Shubor nagaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Ka Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong kalapan kot no ya ka annual sports week arhajar arpuar hakalai tarik urempang arhajar arpuar. Ya kani ka program lapan long hakasin ka baningkong e. Ki jingelek kai balala ban penlong ki kentup ya ka football, basketball, karambot bat mau point. Wat hapdeng ka jingbon kam bagi hak ban pendep ya laki kamram. Henry hakani ka sngi penkot ya kani ka program ki Nongtrei kani ka jaka sumar ki layok ban pen i ya ki sap hai ki jinga kop shat batwai. Hakani ka sngi layadon lang ka medical superintendent Dr. Mbare kumjuk ka sister Viryatam nurse superintendent kong Marbanyang bat kiwe-kiwe. Nakaliang kani ka jaka sumar kalano senyang syakilong yeng jung ki sangun ki Nongtrei ki bala Khlad no na ka jing shalen shop haka klam ko bet khat khandai. Bat kum kadak ka jing Burom lapan long ru ya ka jing sngap jar ka bashi minute.
Shimti hakmat ban penlong ya kani ka program ka ba long kata ka jing ai ka jing jathat yangi amtang kamet mengiyo ban lekai hendrai ka mensem ru ka chu kengin kai menta lai tang shami abre ko pa kibor ka jing dum kiban hanga Kynmaw mi abre ngamla satya haminga shem tang ka jing so kabashisha tang mi long ubre uba surma lagake lagte uljake hath jiya pe mama tere chhajje
kumangi ngitem ba ngi baro ngi long ki front line worker mo ngim dan por ban nek men ngim dan por ban relaxel di lereng yong na hayeng ne hajing trairu ki sibun ki por mangi lai ir ka team jongan ka program ba nyarap ki ba bun ndrei nang ba khani ka wi bar khan yangi ngi lai pilai yak men pilai ngom ha pilai relax pilai jan iwe fi tu iwe fi ma iwe ban ka kham kong sa ne kumra de ong doktor warba man ne kadon ru ka jing atli hapreng jangi iwe pa iwe.
These members, these frontliner who has really fought, who has really served and has done justice to the duties. So I'll just list down the name and I'll request the family members of our warrior to kindly come forward and receive the mementos from our respectable nursing superintendent and medical superintendent. Dress simple in appearance. Second prize goes to the winner of the Karambut men's double. Kindly come forward.
You decide na maging tulong every 6 months ka Ganesh Dasli. I think after a long time you have this Ganesh Dasli. Or maybe I don't know because I'm new also here. Or it's the first time. So ngambil kan yang iban ong reng ai kublai siya kini ki organizer iblong tang hai por blengkot ngi Dr. Daniel but iba David kiwan manikan do nga ki ong bangin pelong ya Ganesh last week madam Kynmaw kapal kalau too short. Still gonna suggest that even extend look kadang long short he. Then maybe next year, maybe this year or next year, next time, in the prolong, in the plan, maybe 1-2 months, bahkan long more successful. A big congratulations to each and every one of you, especially those participants. I'm very proud because you can do it 2 things at the same time. Congratulations for all the winners and who all the losers also. It's not only that you win the spirit, the sports spirit or the team spirit. So I feel this sort of week we should have more like getting to know each other since we are a very big family. So only this much I think. Congratulations. And thank you each and everyone who participated in this week, the organizer, especially Dr. Daniel and his team, and David, maybe the rest. I don't know most of their names since I'm very new. So maybe when we have more weeks like this, then we'll get to know better each other. And I would like to thank also the judges who are here. So thank you so much.